Several women are coming forward with allegations of sexual assault against a traditional healer who worked in Ottawa. Ralph King, his name, who provided services at the Wabano Centre for Indigenous Health between November 2020 and March of this year. The nonprofit is aimed at helping Ottawa's Indigenous community. As Robin Miller reports, some women say Wabano knew their concerns about King and did not do enough to support them or other clients who saw him as well.
CBC spoke with 5 women, 4 of whom allege unwanted touching from Ralph King during their private sessions with him between February and March. This is Mindy Smith, who says she went to see King in March as a client of the Wabano Centre. She was seeking spiritual healing for a sexual trauma she'd suffered as a child. Smith says during the healing session, King used a small deer bone and his hands to touch her breasts, her vagina, and the insides of her legs without consent. Now, at the time, Smith says it was hard to describe how she was feeling because she knew going into the session that because of the subject matter, it wasn't going to be comfortable. She says she wanted to speak out now because she thinks there could be more victims and that Wabano didn't do enough to help support those who may have been victimized. King hasn't been charged or convicted of any of these allegations. CBC made multiple attempts to contact him, but he did not respond. An internal memo in April said Wabano terminated its relationship with King and banned him from its premises following complaints of inappropriate behavior. In a statement to CBC, Wabano wrote, "To be very, very clear, Wabano to date has not received any complaints regarding sexual assault allegations, either from staff or clients." It says it has offered a number of services in response, including healing circles, but sources at Wabano say the centre was adamant at first that clients not be contacted. 2 former employees said the centre only started checking on clients in June, after CBC started asking questions. 2 of the 5 women CBC spoke with say they filed reports with the Ottawa Police Service. Wabano says it was contacted by police in August and is cooperating with their fact-finding. Robin Miller, CBC News, Ottawa.